Hello, my name is Silva Juliana Mantilla Cárdenas. This is Tax 5 Pronunciation Practice. Okay, number 1, this is reading the following text. Try to make two exercise 4. Pronouncing the symbols. Not forget to have in mind writing international at the street. Okay, this is the symbols IPA. Continue. The church protest. The protest lasts 1 week. The teachers want smaller class and better money. They say that there must be more staff in school. School say that there is no money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that school spend the money on different things. Okay, continue. 2. Minimal sparse. A minimal sparse is a part of words that vary beyond and single sounds. Their sounds may confuse English learners that pronounce them, having in mind this variation of the sound. In number 1, okay, I start. Cat, bat, white, wise, right, roll, kite, cat, night, take, stick, coat, pint, bean, till, pill, dish, fish, day, pay, dig, pig, doll, pill, dog, bug, date, bait, towel, call, toll, cool, tape, cape, load, coat, tongue, wand, tie, guy, tap, gap, toll, goal, tack, gag, table, gable, tin, fin, deal, file, tone, font, tick, big. Okay, and continue. Okay, and number 1 is intonation. Read the following sentences having in mind the supplemental features. Continue this. Okay, special question following intonation. What is your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest. Politeness, reason intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, reason intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, reason intonation. May I speak to Ala, please? Can I speak to Michelle, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Next. Alternative question, reason, and following intonation. Will you come back at 5 or 6? Does she read books in the morning or night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? The question, following or reason intonation. You know them, do you? They have found it, have they? You are late, were you? I should do it, should I? Command, following intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request, reason intonation. Close the window, please. Tell your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences, following intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, reason intonation. Elsa, can you hear me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating recent intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can't, he is. He will. You showed. I can. He did. Thank you.